What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today, I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Falbo collection. That's FJALLBO from IKEA. I wanted to take a look at. It consists of a couple wall shelf combinations, a wall shelf. It consists of a TV storage stand, 3 shelf units, a coffee table, and a laptop desk. Pretty inexpensive collection. It doesn't really consist of a couch or chairs or anything like that, but mostly stuff that you would have in an office maybe. Without further ado, it's a little bit hot out here today, but I figured I would bring you out to this really cool sort of area where we're gonna use Apple AR and IKEA Place to look at each piece of furniture. We've got this nice open area here where we can pretty much view the entire collection. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, what is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. This is the Falbo collection from IKEA. We're going to take a look at it real quick. We've got a TV stand, combination storage there, some more storage. We've got a really nice wide shelf, and we've got a laptop desk. Let's go ahead and start with the laptop desk there. You can see it's this beautiful metal construction with a wood top. Looks like you get some storage underneath off to the right. You're probably wondering, why isn't it in the center? And I think the answer to that is probably due to the fact that this is a laptop desk. Therefore, you know, laptops have everything pretty much built in, from the trackpad to the keyboard, so you don't need anything in the center. And that shelf is open in the back, so you can run wires through it or whatever you want to do with it. You'll notice that this desk does have some wheels on it, so maybe you can move this desk around the house if you'd like. Maybe they're stationary, maybe not really sure. Like I said, like you can probably tell, this is through AR, so there's no telling how this desk is in real life, but from the looks of it, it looks like a pretty nice desk that you can move around. There is no chair for this desk, but you know, IKEA has a million chairs to choose from, so you shouldn't have a problem finding a chair. So next in line is the Falbo shelf storage unit for $119. It's got 4 shelves, really nice, wide open, and when I say wide open, I mean this is a pretty wide shelf, and we'll compare it to some other shelves in a minute. But yeah, it's open from each side, which is what I love about this design. You can pretty much slide anything in from the back, from the side. You can have things on top there. This is more of a storage unit slash shelf. It's what was it, 59? No, 99. Yeah, like I said, that desk over there is probably the cheapest item here. 99 bucks, but it's a pretty nice quality. You've got 2 shelves here. They're wood. It's that same metal construction, just as we've come to know and love with the Falbo collection. There might be like a pass-through back here. Oh, you know what? Actually, it's completely open back here. Overall, pretty nice quality. It even matches that picnic table over there, but yeah, 99 bucks. Now, what's really interesting about that storage unit is it looks exactly like the end of our TV storage combination unit here. They look exactly the same, and they are exactly the same height. So this is $238. This is easily the biggest, most expensive item out here that we're reviewing today, but this is nice. We've got a 55-inch TV at home. That might be a little bit too wide for this TV storage combination unit. It does have that pass-through audio equipment down there that needs to breathe, TV equipment that needs to breathe. What I wanted to point out about this TV unit is, yes, you do get some doors on the end here as well, but there is a shelf on the inside, and this unit where you would put the TV on top of is actually separate from this storage unit at the very end there. There is a divider, but luckily there are no dividers on the inside, as you can see. So once you open up these doors underneath the TV, you'll be able to put everything else in there and slide things to the left or to the right however you need to place them to make things fit in there ergonomically. You've got, you know, really nice little details on the TV stand that really aren't present on the other items here, and that are these little rivets here that are visible. I would like to see those rivets, I mean, maybe on that shelf, maybe on this shelf. Are they even on this shelf? Doesn't look like it, which you would think because they're from the same collection they would, you know, match, but that's okay. So we've got the coffee table here. You get this same design with everything else. It's a collection. Storage underneath the coffee table, like for books and coasters and maybe pictures. I don't know, whatever you want to put underneath your coffee table. It is of pretty nice height, so we'll sit off the ground there. Go ahead and move this shelf over to compare them. You can actually see that there are the same height, except the one on the right has wood going all the way down and wrought iron or metal at the bottom. This one has wood at the top and metal going all the way down at the bottom. So they're kind of backwards in that respect, which makes them cousins. Go ahead and move this back over here and just take a quick look at it. Each shelf is like a box where you can basically approach it from any angle and put things in it, store things in it. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that first impressions of the Falbo collection from IKEA. Because it's from IKEA, that makes it a big box good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like, subscribe. It's really hot out here today. If you can tell, I'm breathing a little bit heavily, a little bit pedantically in the video. That's because it's just hot out, and trying to gather words definitely puts you through your paces. But anyways, guys, if you like this content, hit that like, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. More to come with the iPad through AR, through IKEA Place, if you're interested in seeing this stuff and just watching my videos in general. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. My name is John. Hit that like, subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one.